I ascended this throne at a very tender age. But with the support of all, I have been able to steer the affairs of this town.
Nana, I don't like the way Straha and Nkwantibisa are conducting themselves.
Senti, you shouldn't be surprised. They are our opponents. If I should leave the throne without anyone to inherit me, someone has to come from their end to take up the throne.
Senti, I think Nana is right. We only need to close our ranks.
Well, that is not the reason why I called you here. There is a serious problem that needs urgent solution.
What is it, Nana?
Your inability to produce male children in this family. We need to do something. We need to do something before the situation gets serious.
Nana, you sent for me?
Yes, yes. Sit down, Akonfo. Akonfo, I need your help. I want you to do everything in your capacity to help me.
Nana, I'm at your service.
I'll give you half of my gold if you are able to help us.
Nana, you still haven't told me the problem.
It is about my throne, Akonfo. You know my family is made up of two factions.
Yes.
My side and that of Straha.
Exactly.
If I don't get anyone to inherit me, I shall lose the throne.
Nana, what exactly do you want me to do for you?
I need a male child. A male child from my side to succeed me.
Nana, that is no problem. I'll do everything possible in my power to help you.
Thank you.
In fact, I'll go straight to the shrine now. Prepare the concoction that will make you have male children in abundance. Administer these herbs as I've told you before, and I promise you will soon have male children.
Thank you, Okonfo.
Nana, not to worry. I assure you, you will soon have a male child to inherit you.
Thank you very much, Okonfo. I shall call on you again.
Yes, Nana.
Ekuya.
Nana. Good morning, Nana.
Good morning. Hey.
You're welcome, Nana.
Thank you.
What brings you here this morning?
Well, I'm here to see how you and the baby are faring. I hope you are taking good care of him.
Yes, Nana. Nana, do I need to continue taking the herbs?
I think I will consult a confirmed party. I have a meeting with him this evening. No need to worry.
Okay, Nana.
Push. Push, push. Yes, the head is coming. Nana, I am here to formally inform you of our sister's delivery of a baby boy. The child is very healthy and handsome. Hey! Hey!
I'll send for his father. But I propose we name him after Nana Beye. Or what do you think?
Hey! Nana, what a coincidence. The child is the exact replica of Nana Beye. Ubekasa ye born a chiha. Hey, Nana, you have mine. I give you my full support. Hey.
Good.
Hey.
The only person left now is his father.
Yes.
Tell Cinti I'll visit them.
Hey, God.
Nana, not until the birth of Abeye, it was certain we were about to have the throne on her side.
I see. So what exactly do you want me to do for you?
Nana, we want you to kill him for us.
Okay. Akra, bli, zwa, atu fancha. Chegumunu, akramaka. Plomazala, ugumuna, deli, nakamalu, be. The oracle says it is impossible. It says, Chudiampon Yami himself, the supreme being himself, Chudiampon, protects that child. And that anybody who touches that child does so at his own risk. There's nothing I can do. Nothing.
Nana, there is nothing you can do. Nana, but you can do something. Do something.
Except, of course, if you want us to provoke the Supreme Being. And you know what that will cost you.
If that be the case, Nana, I would rather say thank you. Thank you, Nana. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Nana.
Good evening, Okonfo. I was just contemplating sending for you. You may sit down.
Thank you, Nana.
Okonfo, what do you care for?
Nothing, Nana. I'm all right.
Well, it is all peace here with me. What brings you here? I hope there's nothing wrong.
Nana, I have come to warn you. Your enemies are at work. They want to take over your throne by pursuing your nephew. They want to kill him.
What did you say?
Nana, they want to kill your nephew.
My enemies want to kill my nephew. Okonfo, what are you doing about it?
I have decided to prepare a very powerful medicine to protect him against any physical and spiritual attack. And to enable you to continue with your throne. But one condition must be fulfilled.
What is it, Okonfo? I'm prepared to do anything. Anything to protect my nephew and the throne.
Nana, there should never be the existence of any fair-skinned colored person on this land. Any such persons must be sacrificed to the gods.
It is done. If it is all it takes to protect him and the throne.
Well said, Nana. Well said.
Nanahima and elders, the chief priest called on me yesterday to deliver a message from the gods.
A message from the gods?
In fact, I could not rejoice over the news. He said to protect this town against both external and internal enemies, every child born here with fair skin must be sacrificed to the gods.
Huh?
I am confused.
Nana, this town is important than any of us met here. So I don't think this should be a big problem.
Nana, we must obey what the chief priest has said. Our ancestors did their best to protect this town. And if we do nothing to uphold it, I think posterity will never forgive any of us.
Anyway, Nana, if sacrificing a fair-skinned person will save this town, why not? There's no point arguing or debating over this matter.
Yes.
Siabaka wo da oni adofwe onyami wawe ya kunti anwa sa ukunti anwa ani ngwa siabaka wo da ubetimi ni nyami apmana nda chedi amponya me biasi aewo we ni mayo nyami dia so ni asasi ni nara wono oni kukwa nwasem ya intanyi nara mi nyame na woni eti ukunti anwa abrabonsi uye
Flog him!
Okonfo, the decision is yours.
Nana, in this land of Tanasu, he's a mate for the gods. Let him be sacrificed.
No. 9.
Take him away.
Nana someone find go see.
Get up.
Yeah, bio ni adofwe. Amamira ya tunjini. Yeah, nemre se sanwo so sanwo bio ni. Amamira ya tunjini. Amamira bi wo ye papa enu ti mu mi ebe ni ye wate. Amamira ya tunjini. Yeah, abusun ya amamira na so enye ma wo kra. Amamira ya tunjini. Yeah, nemre dani awon so dani mo bi odofwe. Amamira ya tunjini. Yeah, amamira ya tunjini na so amra sisan ya sisan ubi oni. Amamira ya tunjini. Yeah, nemre dani awon so dani mo bi odofwe. Amamira ya tunjini. Yeah, abusun so ya amamira na so enye ma wo kra.
Kana sogido gido ireni rara. Ipapai. Ikareka hiya gbain. Ngwarama nache kochiga. Kumedugenu nache kochiga.
Vater, ich beende mein irdisches Dasein und begebe mich in dein Himmelreich. Gib mir Kraft und steh mir bei.
Uncle, you sent for me.
Oh, yes. Abe, sit down. Abe, you know, age is catching up with me. Very soon, our ancestors will call upon me. But there's something that I should let you know.
Ofa, how did you know you may soon join our ancestors?
I have been dreaming about them every day of late. They want me to come and solve a problem. But listen, Abiye. There is one very important secret that I must reveal to you so that you can protect it. You know, it is a taboo for a fair-skinned person to thrive in this town.
They say if they are allowed to live here, we will lose our power as a state.
That is not the truth. The fact is that I told them that fact just to protect you and my throne.
But they said it's an order from the chief priest.
Abiye, nobody knows the fact except the chief priest and myself. And as I told you, Nyanting also qualifies to be king of this town. We are finding it difficult to have male children. And if you should die today, I shall have no other choice than to choose somebody from Nyanting's family to inherit me.
Uncle, what does that got to do with the fair skin?
When you were born, Sraha and Kontabisa wanted to kill you. But the chief priest performed certain rituals to protect you and my throne. He warned me never to allow any fair-skinned person on this land of ours if I want to maintain the throne and to continue to have male children.
So, how were you able to make it a taboo?
I told them a lie. That calamity will befall this town if there is any fair-skinned person on this land. I did that to protect our interests.
Uncle, that was a clever move.
Should the king die today, which one of you is going to be the next king?
Me, of course. Who told you that? I am the next king in waiting.
That is never true.
What is never true?
That is never true. Agroni, Tokwani, Opadiahen, you.
How are you today?
How are you?
Fine.
I can see I am dying. I want you to see yourself as the next ruler of this town. The council will call on you soon. The council will call on you soon.
Sorry.
Ago. Amen.
Sir, are you to sit unconcerned to allow Ebeye to succeed Ebri?
Nkwantabisa, that is why I have called you. I visited Ebri this morning, and from all indications, he's going to die. So we need to act to eliminate Ebeye.
Hey! Is it not Ebeye they say is protected by a supreme being?
Oh, which supreme being? It is a lie!
Okonfo Ampati is a strong ally of Ebri. So what do you expect? We are going to Donkokro. I learned there is a very powerful priest there. Perhaps she can help us.
Yes. Yeah, I think I agree with you.
Good day. Good Naima, I hear you want to see us very, very urgently.
Nanaima, what am I hearing?
My elders, I summoned this emergency meeting due to the unpleasant news I got from Ochiami that Nanebri has been invited by Nanano.
Nanevra Martin Drimu. Hey!
Anante cho to me, 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 Nana Brown. Nana bro, and I take you to you, and I take you, and I take you to you, and I take you to you, and I take you to you, Nana bro. And I take you to you, and I take you to you, and I take you to you, and I take you to you. Nana se won't nasi. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana jo bro. Nana si ajo bro. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana bro.
You are welcome, my children.
Nana bro.
How may I help you?
Nana. Nana, we are here in peace. Nana, your children need your assistance. We are royals of Tanosu. Nana, but we have been sidelined in the inheritance of the throne. And Nana, this time around, it is being done by one of our nephews called AGYA. Yes, AGYA.
So, what exactly do you want me to do for you?
To kill him! Yes.
Are you sure about what you are talking about?
Yes, Nana. Absolutely yes.
Think twice. He is your blood.
Nana, kill him! Yes! Exactly!
Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana bro.
It is done. Take this. Red clay and 2 feathers of a hawk. Oh.
Nana, so can we bring these items later?
Yes. But remember, on your way coming, never, I say never, use your right leg. Remember, never use the right when you step from your room. Your left leg should be first.
Nana bro. Nana bro. And I take you and I take you and I take you and I take you Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana Adjorlolo. Nana Adjorlolo. Nana Adjorlolo. Nana Adjorlolo. Nana bro. Nana bro. Oh. Nana bro.
Take this. In 3 days' time, he will fall sick.
Nana bro.
As soon as he falls sick, begin to pour this concoction onto the ground every morning. It will worsen his conditions till he dies.
Thank you.
Senti. Hey. Matimunka. Matimunka. Oh, you see me money yaripa. Oh. Ah, sisi
Nyame adum.
What's why shit? I mean, you why? Why? I mean, you why? You say why? Yo, I must be on my way going now.
Okay. Thanks for coming.
All right. Get well quick, okay?
Dear no now, dear Munyamani. And Yadia, come then, Munyamani. Qua, Besana Benti, Munyaman. Your Nadia, what the Benkumaji, Munyaman. And if Bribani were where thou wafa, Munyaman. When I miss you, Rasu, your Monabia, Munyaman. We are one wire, Ninguas, Munyaman. Qua, Besana Benti, Munyamani. Munyamani. Yadiano na odio munyameni. Yadiano na odienti munyameni o. Yadiano na odio munyameni. Yadiano na odienti munyameni. Enyadia kwamdeno munyameni. Oya nwa ya ningwa sebeka munyameni. Anibrebone da wafa munyameni. Ya nedia wadi benkum na agie munyameni. Kwa besana benti munyameni. Oya nwa ya ningwa sebeka munyameni. Munyameni. Yadiano na odio munyameni. Yadiano na odienti munyameni o.
Mami Sienti. Now take these herbs. Prepare the concoction for him. Give him a dose every morning, and he'll be all right.
Thank you, Okonfo. I wish this medicine will heal my son. Where from this disease all of a sudden?
My brother. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, mom, I'm just. Oh,
man, how?
Do you care for some water?
Oh, it's okay. That's okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, well. You are welcome. What can I do for you?
Opening, we are here in peace. But we have a serious issue at hand.
Serious issue? What is it? Is it life-threatening?
Opening, it's about AGYA. I have observed him for some time now. And there is no proof he will get well soon.
Yes. It is also becoming a worry to the kingmakers. Have you discussed it with your family head?
Openi, that is why we are here. Yes. We can't put the fate of this town in the hands of a bedridden man. So the family is looking for an alternative. Oh, now country, what do you think?
Oh, it is a good decision.
We shall need your assistance. We shall need your assistance. You will need to put this in motion at the council meeting.
Oh, don't worry. We are now without a leader. And you all know, we can no longer wait. I believe the council will accept this arrangement. I will contact the Queen Mother.
Okay.
Oh, got that. Yo, that's a pee. And then we
How is Abaye's health?
Okonfo, it is getting worse and worse every day.
Not to worry. I know the efficacy of the herbs I give to you. But I'll go into the forest and get more powerful medicine. Do you understand? And he'll be all right. Take heart. Chudiampo nyame. Nsa. Asasi ya. Nsa. Nananom nsamanfo. Nsa. Musenyi. Abaye is very sick. You, my ancestors, my predecessors, you who have guided me all these years, show me the leaf to use to heal him at once.
Already explained, we need to make a decision on Anebri's funeral, but not until we have a new king. And at the moment, Abaye is incapacitated, so I suggest the family should nominate another person.
My elders, Nana Hima has a point. None of us here can predict when Abaye is getting well. His condition keeps on deteriorating every day. Let's decide now.
I'm paying for him. Minna him I had been. Quam Biasro or Sabusan powerful.
I hope the proceedings of this meeting will be carried to the family to make another nomination.
So, Kwata, have some more.
Yes, let's enjoy our drink. Yes.
So,
You were telling me about the market.
Yes. When I went to the market, I saw one big antelope. And to my biggest surprise, they said they killed the antelope right there in the market.
I go.
Amen.
Hey!
Conti!
Come and have a seat.
Thank you.
Hey, Conti!
Gata!
Conti! So how are you?
Fine. Good. Yeah. Oh, sorry to have interrupted you. I have good news for you.
Good news?
Yes. The council members have agreed to your proposal. Yes.
Hey! I've agreed to our proposal.
Yes.
Oh, I don't want to trade on Ponyami. Insania. Hey, me body body in here, man. Hey!
The team will become king very soon.
Gata!
Oh, that's great. So,
Country. Now, going to have this piece. For you. No, have it. Have it. No, have it.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention it.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention it.
Gonda. Thank you. Oh.
It's a day of victory.
Oh. Thank you very much.
We should rather be thanking you.
Yes.
You have done a great job for us.
Conti. Gonda. I won't take much of your time. I will see you tomorrow.
No. Country. Sit down. Please enjoy some drinks with us. Let us celebrate. Yes. Yes. Country. Take some drink.
Ampatie, yeah. Ampatie, yeah. Ampatie, yeah. Ampatie. Aba, yeah. Aba, yeah. Aba, yeah. Aba, yeah. Aba, yeah. Abraham, Kim. Gormulahirallah. Makana. Aba, yeah. Ayagara man warullah. Aba, yeah. Homera, yeah. Hey, Gonania. Oh, Hanna, Grumaria. Oh, Diara. Aba, yeah, Rumaria. Hey, Gunaria. Ampati oloro afi shuke. Ampati oloro. He'll be all right.
Penny, if you have seen a penny, we are 1 year, one year. 1 year, that's a bassa. What fast is we are barren one. somebody else if you ever see a penny, or be named John Qua, and the ever chance war, if you are now war fast, the very old the beauty, or by and war fast you, somebody else if you ever see a penny, if you are Japan, yeah, go to Chacha, what do you go to Chacha, better than Musaka, Yami and Wakura, and Cabiamo. If you ever see a penny, if you are Japadie, and free Musanquadi, baby. Oh, if you ever see a penny, if you are Japadie, and free Musanquadi, baby.
What a bisa. Family members. Now it is clear AGYA is going to die. So we have to start looking for a substitute from our side to replace him.
Yes. You are very right. I suggest we nominate Nyanting.
Because he's a perfect substitute to AGYA. Eh?
Oh, Krapa, don't you agree?
I have nothing to say. I see it as an honor.
Okay, we will start grooming him immediately. Kwantabisa and myself will see the kingmakers and implore them to start looking for a substitute.
Anybody that was fun, Yanadia, what the Benkumunati, a Basana Benti, we are one wire in Guasiabacam, Munyamendi, Yadiano now, dear, Munyamendi, Yadiano now, dear T, Munyamendi.
Are you sure AGYA is going to die soon?
So you mean you couldn't see how he looked? I don't think he will live to see tomorrow. You can't you see? Can't you see yourself? Yeah, Nyanti. Look at the man lying down there.
Yeah, Mama, how are you?
Yeah, we see you. Yeah, nice. Nyanti, whatever be the case, he would die. Look, if he doesn't die, don't call me your uncle again.
So if AGYA dies, I will succeed Nanabri.
Nana, we have brought our nephew before you. He needs your blessing and protection.
Abeye. Efremu, come. What? Abeye is dying. What? Abeye.
Hey! God! Abeye! What is this? Abeye! I'm going to the
What is the problem?
Abaye is dead.
Abaye? Dead?
Yes. Abaye is dead. Uncle, my son is dead. Uncle, please save him for me. You will be alright.
Akuya, Abaye is not dead. He'll be all right. I promise you. I'll do everything in my power to revive him. Meanwhile, stop crying. I'll be back.
Mommy, it looks like Abeye is dead.
He's not dead. A confirmed party says he'll be alright. Thanks for your consent. Go. Go!
As I have already explained to you, we need another king before we can organize a befitting funeral for Nana Ebri. But looking at Abeye's condition now, the throne cannot lie fallow. We need a replacement immediately. So the council has decided to choose from the other side of the family. That is, from Srahe's side. Is there any objection?
No.
Well, if there is no objection, then Sraha, I will entreat you to bring your nominee before the council next week.
I'll do that, Nanaima.
Enyadia kwam de no munyamenni Uya nwa ya ni ngwase beka munyamenni Ani bribone da wo afa munyamenni Ya ne dia wadi benkum na agie munyamenni Kwa ebesa na benti munyamenni Uya nwa ya ni ngwase beka munyamenni Yadia no na odie o munyamenni Yadia no na odie nti munyamenni o
Mami Sinti, don't worry. My father will be back very soon.
AGYA, what is the problem again?
Kung Fu, my only child is dying.
I've told you not to worry. I'll do everything to save Abe.
Kung Fu, I'm losing him every passing minute. The kingmakers have decided to choose from Srahe's side because of Abeye's condition.
All right. I'll go into the forest, and by the time I return, Abeye will be all right.
I think it's time for us to groom him to walk like a king and do things like a king. Isn't it? Yes.
Yeah. So when you walk as a king, you have to walk majestically.
Yes.
So, like I'll show you now.
Yeah. No. Come here. Okay, do it. A king walks majestically, right? But there is a way you go about it. Look at me. You see, you go like that. So you walk like a king. Have you got it? So now stand there. Stand there. Like that. Good. Yes. Just come. Yes. 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 Ah. Good.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
You've got it.
Our enemies have been defeated.
If you have presented Nyanting as the new nominee, we have nothing to say. The council will meet again tomorrow, and we will make our final decision known to you.
Thank you. Every one of us, they were doing a man I fed. And so we have to prepare you for.
I have tried to marshal all the extended helps that I could reach. AGYA is untouchable. Nobody can kill him. He is being protected by some spirits which are greater than us.
For all the praises people shower on you, commendations about how powerful you are now telling us that spirits that protect AGYA are powerful and greater than yours, than us? Okonfo, you have not tried enough.
Mind the way you speak to me. You children of the universe. You are one. As far as I can see what you can never see with your naked eyes. Don't trespass. You are one. Anyway, if you don't appreciate what I have done for you, then please try somewhere else. Go!
Quanta, let's go. Let's go. She's gotten what she wanted from us. So she's now telling us stories. Didn't she know from the beginning that some spirits were protecting him?
Nana, you don't have to listen too much to what people tell you. Because some of them don't like you.
Kontihene, you are right. The other day, look at the way Jasihene reacted to what I said.
Nana, You are the leader of this town. You must always be firm because your word is final. Some people... Okonfo, what brings you here?
Nana, I want to see you privately.
Okonfo, you can go ahead. Container is my right-hand man, and there is no secret between us.
But this is a very confidential issue, so let him get out.
Nana, don't forget what I've just told you.
Nana, you don't have to be naive to this level. Every king has his secrets. More so, you have to beware of people like Kontihini. He was one of those pressing for your substitution. Do you know that?
Okonfo, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me.
Good. Now, having said that, I have come here to acquaint you that very soon I may be leaving this world. And before your late uncle died, I had a secret covenant with him. And that covenant, no one knows, not even my son, Serebo, who is taking over me, knows about the covenant.
Okonfo, you are not going anywhere.
Nana, however long you may live in this world, one day you will surely die. And I feel my time is here to join my ancestors. That is why I have come to acquaint you with this covenant. I don't know if your late uncle ever tell you about the rationale behind the total absence of fair-skinned persons on this land.
Yes, he did.
Good. Now, I would want you to protect that covenant. If only you would want to keep the throne and for the prosperity of this land. And you may consult me anytime, anywhere in my absence.
Is that so?
Yes, my son. I am prepared to protect you, even in my death.
Thank you very much, Okonfo.
You are welcome, my son.
Yay! If you're not Jaduma. Yeah, my papa, now they just yeah, what did you
Have you been visiting Okomfo?
Anna, I've been going to see him. My last visit to him was last week, Thursday.
Good. But you must obey every instructions he gives to you. Hmm?
Yes, Nana.
I will see you again tomorrow evening.
Okay. Bye-bye, Nana.
Bye.
What's this? A first-skinned baby in our family.
I'm confused. Where does this baby come from? Oh, is it a curse?
Mommy!
Good morning, Nana.
Good morning.
Nana, I have good news for you.
Good news? What is it?
Dokua has given birth to a baby boy.
Ago!
Amen. Good morning, Papa. What brings you here this morning?
Nothing really serious. I have come to pay my respect to the newly born baby. How is he doing?
Oh, he's fine. His mother is breastfeeding him inside.
May I see him?
No. He's asleep. You may come another time.
Akuya, I just want to see how he is doing.
Not now, Krapa. Another time will be better. Please.
Akuya, are you trying to hide something from me? Why are you trying to prevent me from seeing the child? Okay, I'll call again.
What is it?
Offer. Big news. Good news. Offer. The news I have for you today, your ears is more than what you can take. I am informed that Dokua's son is fair-skinned.
Huh? Tabwa.
Offer.
Tabwa. Are you sure of what you're telling us?
Why should she lie? And why would Senti prevent me from seeing the child?
Bam!
If Tabua is telling us the truth, then I suggest we do more investigations to gather enough facts.
That male child is a threat to our chances of ascending the throne.
Yes.
Tabuakane, we have commissioned you to investigate this matter for us.
Offer. I will do my best to establish the truth.
Cool. Enoni.
Nana, if your mother has nothing to hide, why has she refused to let us see the baby?
Yes.
Are we not from one family?
Don't worry. I will talk to her and find out her reasons for doing that. However, I'm sure there is no reason.
Nana, you know she has a reason.
Don't worry. I will talk to her and find out what the problem is.
I don't believe there is a problem with that child. But if there is, it will not be good news, Nana.
We are one family. And if there is any problem, I will let you know. Mommy, I have come to see my nephew. I hope he is doing well.
Abiye, there is a problem.
Why? Has Kanta refused the fatherhood of the baby? That is no problem.
You know that could not bother me. I don't tolerate those things.
How?
Abiye, the child is fair-skinned. He's an albino.
What did you say, Mommy? An albino?
Yes.
He must be killed. Mommy, you know it's a taboo on this land. No, he must be killed.
Nana, you shouldn't have killed your nephew. You are the king. You could have done something about the law.
I don't want to set a bad precedence. And again, if there should be any group of people who should respect the laws of this land, we must be the one. That is my decision. I must honor the tradition.
Yeah, mamire, ya tunchini ona swemre sa ubi onye. Ah, mamire, ya tunchini yeah, nemre dani onso dani ubi odofwe. Ah, mamire, ya tunchini yeah, netina fakun enye watete kwa wate. Ah, mamire.
But Nana, this is too harsh. Sir, yes, I've got a plan. What is it? Do you know Sribo? Okonfo Ampati's son, who recently took over from him. He perfectly fits into this plan.
How?
The other day, I saw him looking at Tabua. And I believe he is interested in Tabua. So if we should get Tabua to marry him, we'll get him on our side.
But is he going to agree?
Leave that for me. I know how to handle him.
Good day, Okonfo.
You are welcome, my in-laws.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. I will be with you soon.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes,
Do you care for some water?
Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you.
It's all right. Wow. What can I do for you?
Well, we are here to discuss with you some matter of interest.
What is this matter of interest?
Well, we are here to implore you to do something to bar Abeye's side from having male children. So that we too can ascend the throne.
My in-laws, I will plead with you to give me some time to think about it.
All I can say is, please think favorably about this. Your children could benefit from the decision you make today. That's all. Okay, thank you.